Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a unique kind of Afro beat. I don't know whether it's Afro beats, but you know, I heard this song Coming Home, Usher featuring Burnaboy, and shout out to Fields. He did an amazing job on that beat, so I decided to show you guys how you can create that kind of vibe. So you know, without wasting time, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. So quickly, I've already used Audimi, and I get a lot of you guys asking me what's Audimi. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video, so in case you wanna go try out Audimi, you can go try it out. So I'm just gonna drag the vocal. I've converted it already, and just bring it back, and let's listen to the vocals.
I'll be coming. Oh.
Yeah, nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring the tempo to 110, which is the tempo of the song.
In the world. No.
So yeah.
Down in how can't come in me, babe. Wanna color and red.
So I'm just gonna drag in the drums. I've already gotten the drums, and guys, I'm working on my Patreon link where you guys can have access to all this FLP. All you just need to do is, you know, subscribe for the month, and you get access to all the tutorial FLP, and you also get free packs, because I drop 3 sample packs every month. So once you can subscribe to my Patreon for the month, you get access to about 10 FLPs. That's for every tutorial of that month, and you also get 3 free sample pack for that month. So that's a lot, and the price for the subscription is just gonna be $10. So with $10 you get 10 FLPs, and you also get 3 sample packs, which is a lot. Each of those sample packs is $30. So worth of over $200, you are getting it for $10. You know, if you just want to participate, when it's ready, I'm just gonna leave the link so you guys could actually just join. So all right, so quickly, I'm just gonna go get the one shot to be using for this, and let's just drag it in. Yeah, so I've actually selected my drums, and quickly I'm just gonna first off paste my hi-hat. I have this hi-hat, and you guys have been saying I should arrange, you know, my drums on the pattern so you can easily, you know, get it. But you know, once you join the Patreon, like I said, you can get access to this FLP, so you don't need to stress. Yeah, so this kind of the drums you have there. So I'm just gonna, yeah, so have something like this. I'm gonna use a swing of, let me just use a swing of around, let's say 20. Nice. I'm gonna add more percussions. So let's see this. I'm just gonna shift this a little bit. Yeah. Vibe. Another reason why I love the piano roll is because you might see this note that is located here, right? But on the piano roll, that's not actually where it is. I've actually shifted it. So using the piano roll gives you more access to create some nice swings with your drums. So you watching this video might just decide to put your drum here, but it's not going to sound exactly like this because I've gone into the piano roll and I've adjusted it. Yeah, so then I can just put in my drums. And so we have the vibe. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go, you know, increase the velocity because I love my drums to, you know, really hit hard. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go into the piano roll, and then I have this crash, which I'm just gonna, you know, yeah, nice. Just turn that down, that's a bit loud. So I have my drums, guys. I have my drums. So I'm just gonna create 2 of these drums, put it one here, and let me make this unique. And for the second one, I'm just gonna take out this crash. So it's just gonna have it on the first one. So I have
miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna.
Nice. And we have the drums, we have the vibe. Simple and simple, man, trust me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send these vocals over and just use my EQ. You know how we do it, you know, the normal way. Take out some of the lows and just add my pour plates. And when you join the Patreon also, you're gonna have access to this pour plate reverb.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna.
Yeah, nice. So I love this. I love it.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I want.
So I'm just gonna, separate my drums, and I'm just gonna split it, split by channel. This also, I'm gonna split it by channel, so I can have each drum separated on its own. All right, so we have our drums. So this is just basically the whole drums on this song, man.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be coming. Oh, oh, oh.
Vibe.
I'm not. I stayed in the world. The price I.
So what I actually like on this jam is the bass. The bass is nice. So I'm just gonna let me put over my soft clipper.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be coming.
I'm gonna be using sub boom bass. Sounds like this, but let me just go to the category. I'm gonna be using percussive. Yeah, so I think the bass sounds more like this. So.
Miss you dead.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, I wanna.
So I'm just gonna create the bass. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so I think it's something like this. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, something, yeah, close to this.
Miss you dead.
So yeah, basically everything. This was just the whole vibe that was played all through. Then we have this again.
Miss you dead.
So something like this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna copy all this progression also. Let's go with that. And yeah, so I think it's something like this. Yeah. I think this will work.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna miss you dead.
Okay, so I've just taken it an octave higher, and what I did, I just shifted the note a little bit from the starting, so it has this it has this swing. It doesn't start at the beginning,
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna side chain it with my kick. So send my kick over, and let's just side chain it so that it can breathe. So I'm just gonna go to and just bring in my fruity limiter and just side chain my kick and my bass. So
miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be coming. Oh.
So we have our drums, we have our bass. The next thing is just the chord progression, and trust me, we are done. Once we just put in the chord progressions, we have that vibe.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna.
So I'm just gonna be using fruity lounge lizard, lounge lizard, and let's just see how we could come up with the chord progression.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be coming. Oh, 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 I'm lost. I stayed in the world. The price I pay for all.
All right, so let's put that down.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be coming. Oh, 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 I'm lost.
Yeah, I think this is what was played.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be coming. Oh.
But I think this I'm just gonna let me use me.
Miss you dead.
quickly, let us.
Miss you dead. Ooh, I wanna be inside you. Ooh, I'll be committed.
Okay, so let me just start from the intro. Let me just quickly just arrange it. So for the intro, we have this. Let me make this bass unique. We have this, the way the intro started. Let me just take this away. I think it's just this note I've taken. So we have the bass starting the vibe. So I'm just. So I think it's something like this. Okay, I think these notes are not there, so we just do. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create an automation for it. Yeah, so I think this is how it started. Then we have this bass coming in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna render this as wave. Like an automation. Or what I could do it like this way. So yeah. Yeah, so it starts like this. Nice. So we are there. So I think then we have the chords coming in. Then the drums for the beginning, we just have this snap. Yeah, like this. Then we have this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna increase the Then here we now have a drum. So I think this still continues. I'm just trying to remember how the song was structured. Then we have a kick. Let me create. Then we have this. Let me put in the kick. So just increase this. It didn't start till I think around this bar, so let's just. Yep, so I'm just gonna copy the same chord progression as.
No, I stayed in the world. The price I pay for all this babe, but baby I'm committed. Oh,
nice. Yeah, so let's see. You know, even this might not be like the exact chord progression, but you know, you guys get the idea.
No, I stayed in the world. The price I pay for all this babe, but baby I'm committed. Oh. Loud in how can't come in me bed. Wanna call on me. Put it up in your head.
So let's just listen from the top and let's see. Yeah, so I think for the second kick here, I'm just gonna bring it down. I think the second part of the progression is not actually right, but you know, I feel like it fits.
Oh,
It fits, man.
oh, oh, I'm lost. I stayed in the world. The price I pay for all this fame, but baby, I'm committed. Oh, 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 down in how can't come in me, babe. Wanna color me? Put it up in your head. Leave it for day. G on. Moving to the radio. And to get there, see me copy.
Yeah, so guys, I hope you guys, you know, learned something new today. Definitely, because this is, you know, like a different kind of vibe, different from the usual, you know, vibe we're used to. So I hope you actually got something from this. So guys, you can always learn how to make beat or how to perfect your beat making skills by just learning how other producers make their beats. So that was how I, you know, also learned how to make beat and built myself over time to be able to create my own kind of beat. So, you know, if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And like I said during the video, I'm actually working on my Patreon link where you have to just subscribe for $10 a month and you get access to all the FLPs for all the video tutorials, and you also get 3 sample packs which I drop every month. So that's a lot. That's what over $200 worth of, you know, package for just $10 a month. And you know, you also get lots of freebies like, you know, some presets, reverb presets, plugins. Just, you know, subscribe to my Patreon link and trust me, you are really gonna benefit. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.